Before buying Xero, there are a few things you need to know. It's a solid accounting software, but how does it stack up against other competitors in the market? Let's dive in. First, Co. stands out for its simplicity and ease of use, especially for freelancers and small business owners. While more complex tools like QuickBooks can be overwhelming, Xero's user interface is clean and intuitive. You don't have to be an accountant to manage your finances effectively here. Next, the invoicing feature is one of Xero's strongest points. You can create professional invoices and track payments easily, but compared to competitors like FreshBooks, which offers more customization options, Xero's invoicing is a bit basic. If you need a highly tailored solution for your invoices, you might want to explore other options. The third thing to note is its time tracking tool. It's fantastic if you're billing clients by the hour, but when compared to Harvest or Toggle, you'll find fewer advanced features. If time tracking is a core need, Xero might not be the most comprehensive solution available. The fourth thing is pricing. Co. offers a free plan, which is excellent for those just starting out, but its paid plans can get pricey, especially when you consider other alternatives like Wave, which is completely free for most features. However, the pricing does include a solid set of features for small businesses, so if you're looking for a one-stop solution, it could be worth the investment. The fifth thing is the project management feature. Xero includes project management tools that are great for freelancers who need to track time and expenses for specific clients. However, tools like Zoho Books or Xero have more advanced project management capabilities. If project management is a major part of your workflow, it might be worth exploring those options. Next, let's talk about integrations. Xero integrates well with popular tools like PayPal and Stripe for payments, but its selection of integrations is limited when compared to competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, which have a wider range of third-party integrations. Seventh, Xero offers automatic tax calculation, which is a huge time saver for freelancers. But when comparing it to something like QuickBooks Self-Employed, which also handles tax calculations, but with more flexibility for complex tax situations, Xero's tax tools might feel more simplistic. The eighth thing to consider is mobile access. Xero provides a mobile app for both iOS and Android, which makes managing your finances on the go possible. While it's not as polished as some competitors, it does the job for basic functions like invoicing and expense tracking. The ninth thing is customer support. Xero has 24/7 support via live chat, which is great. However, when compared to more extensive support networks of platforms like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, Co's support might not always be as in-depth or as fast. 10th, Co has solid expense tracking capabilities, which makes it easy to log and categorize your business expenses. But when compared to tools like Xero, which offer more advanced features like multi-currency support and a larger number of expense categories, Xero's expense tracking is fairly basic. The 11th thing is reporting. Xero provides basic reporting features that cover the essentials, like income and expenses. However, if you need more in-depth financial reports and insights, you might want to look into more advanced software like Zoho Books or QuickBooks. Finally, Xero provides a simple, all-in-one solution for freelancers and small business owners, but it lacks some of the depth and flexibility offered by more established accounting software. It's great for small operations, but if you're planning to scale, other options may serve your growing business better. So, while Xero is a good choice for freelancers and small businesses looking for simplicity and ease of use, if you're seeking more customization, advanced features, or scalability, there are better options out there. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see if it's a better fit for your needs.